1, 2, 3.
So we're here today at Frying Pan Farm Park for the 4-H Fair and Carnival opening ceremonies. It's one of the most popular events we have in the county, and definitely one of the ones that we have at Fairfax County Park Authority. So it's really good old-fashioned family fun. We have everything here. We have carnival rides for all ages. We have animals. We have really great food. It's really an opportunity to come out and see what these kids have been doing all year. So we have exhibits, games, demonstrations. We have a large truck show. We have concerts, carnival games, food, really activities for all members of your family.
So 4-H is the largest youth development program in the world. So there's more to 4-H than just agriculture. So people think that we just do cows, pigs, and horses. We do so much more. We meet the kids where they are, and whatever their interests are, we meet them exactly where they are so they can reach all those goals. So at 4-H, we do positive youth development for kids ages 5 through 19. We teach our kids ages 5 through 8, our Clover Buds, social skills, teaching them how to do STEM, things like that. Interactive, really hands-on activities. In our age 9 through 19, they get to do endless opportunities from livestock all the way to fishing, engineering, entrepreneurship, whatever they want, they dream it, we achieve it with them. We strive for them to be youth-focused and ask them what they want to do, and we meet them exactly where they are to help them reach all the goals that they want to do for their interests. So we use that experiential learning aspect for the kids, like, what are you interested in? We do it, we reflect on what we do, and then they apply it to their real life. So it's real life full circle interaction for them. For more information about 4-H, you can visit our website, www.fairfaxcounty4h.com, and our Instagram and Facebook are at Fairfax 4-H.